For part one of this demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw a landscape with linear perspective that we will later paint with a monochromatic color scheme using watercolors. Here are your minimum criteria. Create a landscape watercolor painting that demonstrates the following. 1. At least one feature demonstrating linear perspective, such as a trail, road, or river. 2. At least 3 houses or buildings demonstrating linear one-point perspective. 3. At least 3 overlapping mountains or hills. 4. At least 3 organic forms, such as trees, animals, or rocks, arranged in the composition, demonstrating foreground, middle ground, and background. Later, we will add atmospheric perspective using value, color, and texture, and as we paint our monochromatic color scheme, we're going to use watercolors to do that. When using watercolor paper, it's important to make sure you're using the proper side of your paper. Check both sides of the paper and make sure you are drawing and painting on the rougher of the two sides. Our paper is pre-cut to 6 by 8 inches. We're going to begin by drawing a 1/2 inch border around the paper that will later be used to tape the paper down to prevent warping. This gives us a 5 by 7 inch canvas to work with. Measure a 1/2 inch in 2 places along all 4 sides of the paper for your measurement marks. Next, we're going to connect these marks to form straight lines around all 4 sides of the paper to form our border. Once our border is complete, we are ready to begin drawing. First, we will draw a horizon line 2 inches from our top border. Measure 2 inches down from the top border on both the right and left side and make measurement marks. Then connect these 2 marks straight across your paper. Now that you have a horizon line, choose a point along the horizon line to place a dot for your vanishing point. We will create a road, path, or river by drawing 2 lines from the bottom of our paper connecting to the vanishing point. We can draw them straight or curvy as long as the lines converge on the vanishing point. We're going to add 3 houses to our landscape by drawing a classic square and triangle. Draw these so that they appear to get smaller in the distance and closer to the horizon line. Now connect each corner of your shapes to the vanishing point with converging lines. You're going to finish the back side of the house and the roof with lines that are parallel to both of your shapes. Next, add 3 organic shapes, such as trees, rocks, or animals, demonstrating foreground, middle ground, and background. Make sure they get smaller in the distance. If you'd like, you can mix and match some of these different features. Last, we're going to draw 3 overlapping mountains coming over the horizon line. At this point, you can add any last details that you would like, and then we're going to outline this with pen. But make sure to use waterproof ink, otherwise it will bleed when you paint it later.